Vivo Z5. Vivo Z5 is an amazingly engineered mid-range smartphone that comes with a lot of features. It has an on-screen fingerprint scanner, which is amazing at mid-range budget. Under the hood, the device offers a superb processor and graphics combination that can deal with all kinds of high-end usages. Lastly, the cameras are also superb. Amazing device from Vivo Display and Configuration. Vivo Z5 flaunts a 6.38-inch Super AMOLED display having a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels along with a pixel density of 404 ppi. It has a bezel-less display style along with a waterdrop notch on top. Under the hood, the smartphone offers Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset and an octa-core processor that provides up to 2.3 GHz speed. As for the graphics, it has Adreno 616 GPU, which is coupled with a 6 GB RAM. Camera and storage. Vivo Z5 offers excellent photography with the help of 4 8MP, 8MP and 2MP lens. It has a number of inbuilt features and settings that will let users capture each scenario with a customized and immersive finish. At the front, it has a 3.2MP lens that can click awesome selfie pictures. To store that data and files of the users, the device has 64 GB internal memory that is sufficient. It also has the option to expand the storage up to 256 GB with the help of a micro SD card. Battery and connectivity. The power backup of the smartphone is handled by a Li-ion battery that has 4500 mAh capacity. It also has fast charging technology. While the huge capacity can provide more than a day of power backup, it can be refilled in no time. For connectivity, Vivo Z5 has 4G VoLTE support. It has Wi-Fi 802.11 b/g/n, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS, micro USB 2.0, etc. Vivo Z5 price. Vivo Z5 price is expected to be $217.66, 15,990 rupees. Vivo Z5 expected to be launched on March 19, 2020. This is 6 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage base variant of Vivo Z5, which is expected to available in black, Aurora blue color. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.